for the Céilí in the kitchen. We invite you to have your own Céilí in the kitchen on the 12th of June to celebrate Cruinniú.
Join us live in our kitchens every week for a song, a dance, a story and a tune.
Where we'll teach you all the tips and tricks you need
for having your very own Céilí in the kitchen.
So wherever you are in the world, gather your family, push back the kitchen table, put the chairs against the wall and let's Céilí.